Hey everybody, this is Elizabeth at Dandelion Soap Herb Shop, and I thought I'd bring you guys outside while it's beautiful here. It's about 54 degrees outside, and go over a few of our wild edibles and show you what we've got. Now remember we were talking about dandelions a while ago? You guys see the difference? See how that has a single sword? See how the sword is made and it's got these little arms on it, like a single sword? And this is actually a sorrel, S-O-R-R-E-L. And this is a sour leaf. Some people call it sour leaf. When I was growing up, you know, you bite into it, tastes just like a sweet tart. It's real sour, vitamin C, delicious. And this is really good in your green drinks, your tossed salads, soups, broths, any kind of stew. You can eat it just like it is. It's really good. And so this is one of your sour leaves, or your sheep sorrel. And sorrel grows all over the place, readily available all in North Carolina. Some of them will get big. If you let them grow, they'll get really, really big. Then you got your sorrels, and they're sour. Like I said, when you bite into them, you get this instant relief of sour, release of sour, like vitamin C. Really delicious stuff. Let's see.